Welcome back to Mud and Rust Workshop. Today I'm going to show you a simple adjustment that you can do at your home that probably will make a world of difference for you. Have you ever wondered how to change out your towel rod, your toilet paper holder, any of those things? In our case, we're going to show you an even simpler thing, but it is a part of that. Today I'm going to adjust my toilet paper holder. It's a little bit loose. Since it's loose, you can actually see, one, we need to clean it, but the other is these small little screws. Now you'll see flathead screws. You can actually adjust the side here too. You'll see flatheads and you also see Allen heads. We'll look at a couple of those in a second. But we're going to turn our toilet paper holder and actually adjust it and put it back horizontal. I'm going to simply do that by turning this to the position that we want it and tighten it up on that screw. It's that easy, folks. Alright, you can see now we tighten it up. You can see we push it around, pull it, put our toilet paper back on it. Doesn't fall, not on the verge of collapse. But that's all there is to it. It usually is a flathead screwdriver, might be a small Phillips, or it could be a Allen head bolt. You can see we got flathead screws on this one, on our towel holder as well. Again, might be an Allen head bolt, but it's really super easy to do. While we're already here, I'm going to show you something else that you might come in handy. If you take this completely loose and get it to where you can actually pull it off, you'll see that this is how you change it out. You'll see that screw in there. Loosen that up, this all comes out. You can swap them out. And one thing to be careful of, if you are, for example, painting behind this wall or painting behind this piece, you want to make sure you don't back this out all the way, or the wing nut that's behind the wall will actually fall out. You can see in here how this works. See it tightening up in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know this was a short video, but do appreciate you guys watching. It's something you can do quick and easy at home. Again, this one's something anybody can do. All you need is a small screwdriver or Allen head bolt. You can swap these out, make any adjustments, swap sides, anything you want to do. So customize your house. If you have something else you'd like to see, be sure to like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and we'll be sure to try to get something addressed and get you a video out if there's something you don't know how to do. Thanks for watching.